This is a video demonstration on applications of RouteXL for sales and logistics. RouteXL is an easy-to-use and affordable routing solution, which is an add-in to our Spatial Excel product and which operates within the familiar Excel environment. There are numerous applications for RouteXL, ranging from territory and distribution planning to creating optimized routes for your delivery and sales teams, cost-benefit analysis, ongoing route planning, and matrix routing for logistics. There are many benefits that come from being able to quickly and easily plan and manage your routes, including time and cost savings, improved fleet efficiencies, reduced transport costs and overtime, improved cost and resource planning, and easy update and maintenance of routes. We'll now take a quick look at some RouteXL examples. Firstly, as an example of territory planning, we have mapped 6,000 customers and 4 depot locations. Using RouteXL tools, we are able to assign each customer to the closest depot by shortest drive time to create 4 sales territories. The customers have been colored by sales territory on the map. So here, for example, we have all of our customers in sales territory 4 displayed in green, with a count of the number of customers by territory displaying here in the legend. We can also view these results back in our customer spreadsheet data, with a column indicating the closest depot for each customer, with the exact drive time and distance displaying here as well. We can now pivot or filter this data for further analysis. For example, to look at the total number of customers by depot and to look at the sales volume balancing. We can also filter our data. In this example, we could look at a filter that shows all the customers that are within a 20-kilometer drive time from each depot. And this will update in the spreadsheet as well as on our map. Territory planning can be used in a similar way to create areas for sales teams and reps and for market segmentation analysis. It takes just a couple of minutes to set up and calculate in RouteXL, making it a quick and efficient way to plan and optimize territories. As an example of delivery routing, RouteXL allows you to optimize your vehicle scheduling to create the best daily routes for multiple vehicles. These routes can be balanced and optimized by numerous factors, including vehicle type and size, volume, time of day and number of trips, delay times, travel times, and distance. Here we have an example on our map where we have optimized and balanced delivery routes for 5 vehicles within an 8-hour workday. These routes start and end at the depot, and you can see each route is displayed here in a different color on the map. RouteXL automatically calculates the most optimized route for each vehicle to ensure the routes are efficient and balanced by day and week. These results can be transferred to an Excel spreadsheet where we can display a sequenced list of customers for each vehicle. And these results can be pivoted to look at the balancing of time and volume by vehicle. As an example of sales rep routing, we can create daily sequenced routes for reps who are either walking or driving between customers, and which can be balanced by factors such as available working hours, days, distance, customers, and volumes. In this example, we have firstly used RouteXL to divide our customers into 4 sales rep clusters, which have then been further divided into daily routes. If we had to isolate just one rep, we'll take rep 4 for example. We can see his daily routes displaying here on the map. with the number of customers displaying in the legend, which have been balanced by day. We can see that each daily route has been geographically clustered and optimized to ensure they are the most efficient routes for sales reps and limit any overtime. These results can again be quickly transferred to an Excel spreadsheet to further analyze and compare routes and export a daily list of customers in sequence to your sales reps. You can also easily update and maintain these routes by adding or removing customers and rerouting. RouteXL also has a number of tools that allow you to quickly and easily calculate times and distances between single and multiple locations, create catchment areas or drive time polygons, and perform matrix routing calculations between millions of pairs of points for logistics. We hope you've enjoyed watching our video, which has shown just a few of the ways RouteXL can be used in sales and logistics. Please contact us with any questions or to arrange a further demonstration.